How we got our client ready to list on Amazon. We talk a lot about being a complete photography solution for Amazon sellers here on our blog. And that is because we really are Amazon product photography specialists. Whether you're chasing high-quality images or Amazon product demo videos, we know our stuff. So we weren't surprised when a client found us on Google recently and reached out to our team. This client was well aware of the fact that Amazon's rules and regulations for videos and images are strict. He didn't want to be messing around with subpar content and needed a team who knew the ins and outs of selling on Amazon. He was also in the know about how much impact good photography and videography has when selling products on e-commerce platforms. We offered our all-you-need package, a complete solution for Amazon sellers that includes images, infographics, lifestyle shots, and full adherence to Amazon's regulations. This package is also flexible. It can be customized to include videos, shots from different angles, shipping and more. Because our client had two different products, he chose two of our all-you-need packages and customized each to his requirements. This offered him full control over the final images and, crucially, affordability. The first product came in 6 colors, each was to be shot from 2 angles, and lifestyle and model shots were needed too. The client also chose a demo video, a powerful sales tool all Amazon sellers should consider. The second product needed main shots, images of it in its packaging, and lifestyle and model shots. A demo video was also made for product number 2. Once the finer details and the client's requirements were nailed down, the client came to the studio with all the products and props he wanted shot so we could get to work. But interior shots can only do so much if the product is used outside, so for our next shooting day, we took the open air for an on-location shoot with models. As an added bonus, a fantastic little Italian coffee shop is situated close by, so we could have our fill of their excellent coffee and savory dishes. A boon for the photography team, the models, and the client too. The 2 shoots provided us with all the images and videos we needed. Post-production shot was carried out by our in-house team of experts, and in a few short days, the completed media was ready to send to our client for approval. We received that approval quickly, and to our pleasure, the client was more than satisfied with the final product. If you need to get your own Amazon listings up and running quickly and professionally, get in touch with us. Whether it's Amazon demo videos, Amazon compliant photography or an outdoor on-location shoot with models, we can help.